Though born in South Carolina, Ja Morant has become a true symbol of Memphis, and the connection between the city and its superstar continues to grow. Beyond his impact on the court and in the community, Morant also expresses his personality through bold and eye-catching footwear. His ongoing partnership with Swarovski highlights that creative side and now moves beyond performance sneakers into everyday lifestyle wear. The Swarovski x Ja Morant x Nike Air Force 1 arrives with a sleek jet black nubuck upper, elevated by 3 crystal-covered details on the swoosh, tongue tag, and heel. Premium leather lining, a tumbled leather dubrae, and a shimmering Ja logo hangtag add a refined and luxurious feel. Ja Morant himself first revealed the pair, once again sharing early looks before any official leaks surfaced. The Ja Morant x Nike Air Force 1 Low Swarovski is set to release on February 13 with a retail price of $235.